Jimba, we've been walking for 2 days. How long do we have to walk for? My leg is killing me.
Etai, stop complaining. It was your stupid idea to come camping in the first place. Do we look like campers to you? And it was your fault that we lost our dog Kodo. And don't even start with your leg. If you had just ran a little faster, that grizzly wouldn't have caught up to you. Now let's go look for Kodo before it gets dark.
Great idea. Kodo!
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 Kodo! Kodo!
Kodo!
Kodo! Etai, is that what I think it is?
You're right. That is the new Mazda CX-50, the most off-road capable Mazda that's ever built.
Etai, are we even able to test drive this?
Yes, we can. At Kramer Mazda, they got the turbo and the non-turbo for us to drive. And it's even got the turbo engine that produces 256 horsepower and 320 foot-pounds of torque that can tow up to 3,500 pounds. Look at those 20-inch extra wide wheels. It gives you extra ground clearance too. And those LED headlights, and they're adapted so they follow your driving path to offer you better vision.
Look at some of these safety features. Blind spot monitoring, collision braking, lane departure warning.
And it's even got the 360 camera.
Whoa, these seats are warm.
Yeah, heated seats are standard in all trim levels, but being a GT, it's also got cool seats. And for the back, it's also got heated seats so we can keep Kodo warm. Look at that 10.25-inch display. It's even got Bose and navigation.
And you can check on your car and start your car from Mazda Connect.
Etai, look how big the backspace is. It's bigger than our tent. And look at this panel roof.
It's another first for Mazda.
Etai, I'm getting really tired. Can we take a little break before we look again?
Great idea, Cole.
Good night.
Good night.